Friends, myself is MANOJSIR and I would like to talk about the fluency in English. I run a coaching center in Ahmedabad and I also do a job in a private school. Let us talk about the point. English fluency course. Now, whom should I refer to this course? The students or the person who are working, they find it difficult to deal with English. They can understand the English, but as and when they want to say something or answer the opposite person in English, they find it difficult. I should or I refer this course to such people. So it is quite clear that I am not going to teach you a primary English grammar in this fluency course, right? But by and by, when it is needed, we'll talk about some grammar topics that is like sentence or kind of sentence, that is simple sentence, complex sentence, compound sentence, right? So the deep grammar will be discussed later. Okay, so let us start from first point, the core words. Now, a lot of people thinks that we should not or we should first learn the meanings of all the words and then try to speak English, because we are learned to speak English or read English that way. So our thought process is like that. But if you ask me, I will tell you that there are around 1,200 core words which, if we know, we can manage what we want to say in English. And those core words are taught in almost standard 10th or 11th. We can manage with those words in English. If we talk about particular subject, then we have to have other than core words in English. But if we want to talk it normal, then we can manage with those core words, right? So get out of those particular word mania. Get out of those particular word mania. Otherwise, what happens? You will always think about that particular word, and you will forget about the topic being discussed, right? So this should not be happen, or this should not happen with us. So get out of the fear that we should have all the meanings of the words in English. Let me tell you, the persons whose first language, suppose my first language is Gujarati, right? So I'm not supposed to have the meaning of all the Gujarati words. I can manage with Gujarati. Other people whose first language is something else, they can manage in their mother tongue. But it doesn't mean that they know all the meanings of the words in their mother tongue. Same way, we should not tend, or we should not be very possessive to have the meanings of all the words in English. We should have minimum knowledge. We should have minimum vocabulary in English, and then we can manage. As such, core words are are taught in our primary or